Bright Minds Biosciences, ticker DRUG, on Tuesday, October 15th, experienced over a 2,000% increase in share prices within 6.5 hours of trading. Now, anyone that has experience in trading biotech knows the high volatility and high risk involved with any of these companies. Most are not profitable and are frequent providers of pump and dump supremes. A 2,000% increase within 6.5 hours is not a normal move. Nobody on social media had any idea what was going on. Zero news coverage. Going through the SEC filings, even the company produced an official 6K report writing the company was unaware of any material changes in the company's operations that would account for the recent increase in market activity. Excellent. A few hours later, I went back and saw a new filing for the previous date. This filing was a Schedule 13G used to report ownership of a stock that exceeds 5%. Perceptive Advisors, LLC, under the name of Joseph Edelman, 430,000 shares, 9.6% ownership. No other filings, just him. Who is this Joseph Edelman? The institutional investor in 2017 interviewed Joseph Edelman, and they called him the 41% man. Joseph Edelman is not your typical hedge fund manager. In 1999, he founded Perceptive Advisors, a biotech hedge fund. His hedge fund each year has posted annualized returns of 30% since its inception. His investment strategy is bold, is high conviction, high risk, high volatility. He's okay with it. He shuns the big pharmaceutical companies and he prefers the small to mid-cap biotech companies who often hinge on a single drug or treatment. Super, super high risk. And you have the phases. Anything can fall out at any time. One phase does not necessarily mean that the next phase is going to be successful, right? Even if all phases are successful, it does not mean the FDA is going to approve the drug, right? According to the institutional investor, of the roughly 500 biotech companies in the US, only about 20 are profitable. The risks are enormous. However, Edelman has seemed to dominate the game, riding the line of what seems possible. Since Perceptive's inception, the fund has only posted 2 down years. It has also posted insane monthly returns, such as a 69% portfolio gain in its second month in existence. So what does all this mean? Is it a coincidence, or is this a pattern we're finding? His timing with picking up stocks and when they run is incredible. I mean, could it just be just one time, or is this happening often? So I did a little digging. I went and tracked his portfolio with an online tool, and I looked up the SEC filings with his name in it. And I found some interesting results. 2 of the 4 first stocks I picked from his portfolio ended up having 13Gs or 13Ds filed the day before massive runs. Ticker SLNO, Soleno Therapeutics. On September 26, 2023, a 13D filing showed Edelman's stake of 23.7%. The stock saw a 577 increase within 8 hours and a 1,200% rise ever since. Applied Therapeutics, ticker APLT. Edelman filed 2 13G forms on different occasions. The first returned 42% in 3 days, 80% within a month. The second resulted in a 117% gain over 3 days and 294% ever since. Is Edelman just incredibly lucky, or is there something else at play? Now, Edelman's track record is nothing short of just incredible. He's proven his ability to outperform the market, and his hedge fund consistently posts some of the highest returns in the biotech sector. But the timing of his 13G filings raises questions. Is it just luck that his filings precede significant price moves in the stocks like drug, SLNO, APLT, or is there something more going on behind the scenes? One thing is clear. Joseph Edelman is a man who knows how to navigate the wild world of biotech. It's super high risk. Whether it's by design or chance, his involvement in certain companies often signals big moves. It seems every time that he shows his stake in the company, it seems to run the day of or the day after. And I'm wondering what his influence is on that. Edelman concluded his interview with the institutional investor by stating, "If you don't know who the sucker is, it's probably you."